Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the maximum love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I want to share with you what does the normally say shall never see. This is Progress the Analyst, and here I keep you updated. Nothing but the truth. That is what we see here. And here I help you to know exactly what is happening. I bring all the latest updates to you. I bring the past, the present, and the future. Oh my goodness, I will bring all of them to you. And this is one of the reasons why you need to subscribe. Today, Dr. Ngozi was interviewed by Robert Spencer. In fact, it is not really easy. What the Biafran people, the way they drag this man. Hey, I never see this type of thing before. The man was dragged like I pass my neighbor generator. They were bombarding the man with a lot of messages. In fact, they told the man that the person you are about to interview, she did not represent the Biafran people. What are what they did not say? I said, Jesus Christ of Nazareth, what is all this? They did not stop there. They told the man that he is on his own for him to agree to interview the Dr. Ngozi Orabueze that the man has done a great mistake. They were dragging the man. All those ones we are seeing. What about the ones they will inbox the man? What about what they will tell the man privately, the message the man is going to receive today? Oh my goodness. To an extent that this interview lasted for just 26 minutes. I say Chineke mo, Biafran people, wetin be this? Wetin una see? Before we go further, let's just take a look of some of the things that were discussed, and I'll be right back.
Today we have as a very special guest Dr. Ngozi Orabueze, who is Deputy Prime Minister of the United States of Biafra. Welcome, Dr. Orabueze.
Thank you so much, Robert Spencer.
Thank you. Thank you for being here. I have to tell you right off, though, there's quite a bit of controversy about this. And so I thought, why don't we address this right away and clear the decks? In the first place, I wanted to emphasize that I, of course, am not Biafran, obviously, and I am here speaking about this issue because of the connection of Biafra and its independence to the persecution of Christians. So I'm not endorsing any group. I'm not endorsing any group either. But many people are upset. And the problem on Twitter, or X, is that you can't really tell who these people are, or if they are who they claim to be. But some of them are saying you are not who you claim to be. And so could you please, in the first place, tell us who you are claiming to be and why we should pay attention?
Yeah, thank you so much, Robert Spencer. It's not about me claiming to be. I'm not claiming to be anything. I'm going to let you and whoever is listening know who I am. My name is Dr. Ngozi Orabueze. I'm the Chief of Staff and the Deputy Prime Minister to the newly declared United States of Biafra.
Now, you see exactly what I was trying to say. A lot of people were bombarding this man that Dr. Ngozi, she's not the person she claims to be. And this man was so surprised. This man was so scared. That was why the man said there are a lot of controversy since the bringing out of the flyers about the interview. The man not get peace. He not get rest of mind. The man was like, what is all this? This man was forced to take to his S handle to clarify this to Biafra. Now see this. The man said, as I said, I am not endorsing any fashion. I am calling attention to the plot of the Christians in Nigeria and its environs. He brought this because they were dragging this man. If you see, the comment section was on fire. Abba. If you dey learn drag, you dey learn? The man was like, what is going on? The man was forced to ask questions because of the comment that was coming in that what is going on? What is going on? They started talking. The man started responding to some persons. They started telling the man, oh, she's a liar, she's not a Biafra prime minister, she's not a deputy prime minister, she's nothing, she's this, she's that. They even told the man that you refused to interview Simon Ekpa, the Biafra prime minister. Why are you now interviewing deputy prime minister? And the man responded, said, I don't know, Simon Ekpa wants me to interview him. How wish Simon Ekpa asked me to interview him, I would have gladly accept that. But Simon Ekpa never discussed anything about interview with me, so I don't know. At least the man tried to express himself because the dragging was just too much. Then we saw another comment where someone was saying that, oh, that means, yes, Dr. Ngozi is the one that went to meet this man, that please, oh, come and interview me, come and interview me. I said, that bar, what is all this? The most happiest thing now is that the man said, I'm just trying to use my platform to raise the voice, to make people know about what is happening, to make people know about what is happening in Nigeria and Biafran people. I discovered that anytime I did not bring some comments, some people will say, oh, that is what you are thinking. Now I am trying to bring the comments so you know this is what people are saying, not me. Someone said, this is enough for me. After the man starts explaining to them that he knew nothing about what is happening, he's not in support of anybody, he's just trying to do his things, like he don't even know that these Biafran people, they are divided. He said they don't even know that there is a problem. He said they don't even know that there are other groups of Biafra. And this person said, this is enough for me. We are not stopping you from fostering the awareness for Biafra with your audience. Just be neutral. They say, just be neutral. We know 1 year, say tomorrow you call they support one person, not support one person, say just be neutral. The man said he's not even aware of all this. His own is just to grant this interview and go his way. The man was like saying that this is so strange for him. He haven't witnessed this type of thing before. At the beginning of this interview, that was what he said. He said he haven't witnessed this and it's so strange. He said some controversial things is happening right now on Earth and he don't even know where those people are coming from. He don't know what is even going on. That was why he asked. They said you claimed to be who you are not. So tell us who you claim to be. That was the question the man asked, for you to know that the drag where they drag the man not be my man. So as we all know, February 10, 2025, Mazinadi Kanu go dey appear for court. If you are not aware, it is good, I tell you, that Mazinadi Kanu next court hearing has been fixed February 10, 2025. And a lot of people are really seeing the positive side, saying that on that day, he is going to release, that they are going to release Nnamdi Kanu on that day. All finger crossed, because that has been the prayer of a lot of people. People are really coming up to speak that Nnamdi Kanu should be released after the case has been discharged and acquitted. Meanwhile, Nnamdi Kanu, on the other hand, is very strong, according to information from the ex of barrister Aloy Ejimako. Is very strong and is ready to face trial. Is ready to face anything that will come in. But the most important thing, on figure cross, that he believes that justice is going to be served and is going to be free. You know, before now he said that he don't believe the system of the courts. He don't understand what is happening, but all the same, he have to accept and come, so that once and for all, make the world listen. So I also said about Simon Ekpa, the Biafra prime minister, before, when I say make una pipe up, make una buckle up. A lot of people say you are just saying anyhow. When we saw the video where the Finnish authority came to visit Nigeria, We raise alarm, we talk, we say, see, oh, see the proposal, see what is going on. They say, you people don't know anything. Until they come here from Biafran. After that speech, all of them now understand that say, hey, we need to stand up for our PM. We need to stand up for our PM. When I dey tell you now, they are just underrating everybody. Say, Finland na Europe. Europe is not like that. When these people don't have bargain, they have plan. Go and listen to Biafran. She expatiates on the agreement between Nigeria and Finland. And somebody go say they cannot do anything. Just underestimate government. Yes, underestimate them until you go hear the other way round. And I still thank God that a lot of Biafran people are also shouting, saying that, oh, Simon Ekpa need good lawyer. Simon Ekpa needs good lawyer. Now look with the look. So my beautiful family, I say let me bring all the update to you that this is the latest happening. This is the present situation of everything right now. The interview, Mazina Kanu and the Biafra Prime Minister. So what is your take on all this? Please do well to share this video. As I said before, I still remain your one and only Progress the Analyst, and I will keep updating you back to back. Thank you and bye for now.